Television is a system for transmitting and receiving moving pictures and sound at a distance. This transmission can be effected by radio or by a specialized cable. Television networks. The television is the signal receptor. In 1910, the Nipkow disc was used in the development of television system of the early 20th century. In 1925, the Scottish inventor John Logie Baird made the first real experiments using two discs, one in the mirror and the receiver, which they were attached to the same shaft for rotation of synchronously and separated by 2 mm. The first public television broadcast the BBC made in England in 1927 and the CBS and NBC in the US in 1930.
At the end of the first decade of the century, they began to see the first commercial 3D TV system based on the collection, transmission and representation of two similar images displayed relative to each other and polarized. Auto system experience with glaze with polarized filters to see the image in three dimensions like the Philips Home and Recreate editing system based on the same principle as 3D cinema. Recreate the use of filters colors, red for the right age and cyan for the left age. At the end of the 40s, until the end of World War II, Andrea 1A5 model went on sale. During the years, television was perfect science in machine became full electric. This allowed several countries begin broadcasting local programming.
In the 50s, he was released on RCA Model 21. This model was a significant change. In 1974, was released the TV Zenith model. It's quite famous for its distinctive 17th look. In the 80s, the TV began to look like the model we know nowadays. A revolutionary change was the remote control. In the 90s, projection television they began to be sold. This creates a need for larger screens, imitating the experience of home theater.
Today the TVs have become very innovative. Plasmas, LCDs, high-resolution screens are some of the changes that TV has in these couple of years.